Pixel users, your text just got way more fun. Gboard's Emoji Kitchen now has a slick browse feature, ready to spice up your chats. What's good, tech fans? Welcome back to GadInsider. Google just dropped a dope Gboard update for Pixel phones and tablets on April 26, 2025 with a redesigned Emoji Kitchen and new browse feature. Let's dive into how it makes your emoji game next level. Gboard's Emoji Kitchen lets you mash up emojis into wild combos, and now it's better than ever on Pixel devices. Open the emoji keyboard and you'll see a slick, smaller kitchen carousel with an arrow icon. Tap it and boom, you're in the new browse mode. A grid of endless emoji kitchen combos. Scroll forever, pull to refresh for more, or tap a combo to see which two emojis made it and hit send. There's even a floating button to pick an emoji and view all of its combos. It's super intuitive. Why is this cool? The Browse UI makes finding the perfect emoji combo a breeze. No more random guessing. Announced in December 2024's feature drop and rolled out with Gboard 15.1, it's exclusive to Pixel phones and tablets like the Pixel 9 and Fold. Right now, this is a Pixel-only party, so you'll need a Pixel 7, 8, 9, or a tablet. Update to Gboard 15.1 via the Play Store to get it. Google might bring it to other Android phones later, but no word yet. When Pixel's quarterly feature drops, expect more Gboard tricks soon. For now, Pixel users get to flex this fun, creative edge in texts, WhatsApp, or anywhere you type. Got a Pixel? Update Gboard and start browsing Emoji Kitchen today. Subscribe for more tech goodies, hit that like button, and comment your favorite emoji combo.